Up everybody, it's me, Pro Gamer 6969. Today I got something very special to you, sent over by my friends Dumb and Dumbass. It's in the trunk right here, and this is gonna be really cool. You ever heard of a butterfly knife? Well, what we have here is we have a butterfly knife, and ignore that. So what they are, they're just like a regular butterfly knife, but instead of an actual knife, it's a spoon and fork. I can't believe Dumb and Dumbass would send this to me because it is so amazing. Like, these are one of the greatest things I've ever had in my collection. So what we're going to do is we're going to set them down right here. And I'm just going to show you how they work. So basically, closes and opens like a regular butterfly knife, little safety to keep it from opening. Same with the spoon. Spoon's a little bit easier, that's why I like it more. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to see how well they can dig. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I think this one would be good at, you know, just tilling the land and whatnot. And basically, we're going to... Shut up, dogs! Shut up! Get the gun, Mary! Get the gun! You know what, Mary? No, man, don't get the gun. God damn, I hate being an alcoholic. So anyways, we're just gonna go over here, whatnot. And I actually, what was that? Huh. Must have been the wind. And these are made out of a very rich titanium steel. So these are pretty damn strong, and I don't think you'll be able to bring it. Oh God! Jesus Christ! I have a spoon! I have a spoon! Get over here! God damn it, close this trunk! Oh, get out of my car! Jesus Christ! I have no clue who that is. I gotta get out of here. Fucking hell. I don't know who that guy was. So there wasn't a guy in my trunk. Stop the car!
Now, put your hands.
I think I left my wallet. Okay. Oh no, it's right here. Oh, thank God. Stop driving! Okay. Stop it! Stop driving! Shut up! Okay. I think we've escaped. I think we've escaped. I think I left something in the back seat here. I think I left something back here. No, we're good. Jesus Christ. Wait a second! Ah!